Hi guys, Balash here from Business Cookhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to transcribe any video to text. It is a fairly simple process and it is completely free. You'll be able to create a text file containing the audio transcription of your video. The only thing you need is a YouTube channel and of course the video you want to transcribe to text format. But don't worry if you are not active on YouTube, just by watching videos on the platform you already have a channel created for you, even if you've never uploaded a single video. So if you are watching this right now, that means that you already have everything you need in order to transcribe any video for free. And this is going to work for Microsoft Word, Google Docs, OpenOffice, Pages on Mac, any type of word processor software. But I don't want to waste your time with the intro, so let's jump right into it. To begin with, make sure that you have the video file you want to convert to text format. This is the file that I'm going to use to show you how to transcribe a video, and that you are logged into YouTube. As I said, it doesn't matter if you have any content on your channel or you just use it for watching videos. Just go ahead and click on this camera icon with the plus sign that says create and select upload video. And then drag and drop your video file here. As you see, I am showing this on Windows, but this is going to work on any operating system like Mac or Linux or anything. We don't really want to publish this video today, so it doesn't really matter if you fill out anything here. Just click next. No, you need to select if it's made for kids. This is not made for kids. Click next, 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 and let it be a private video. You don't want to publish this video unless you want to publish it. Of course, that's another story. I just want to show you how you can do that even if you don't have an active channel and you don't want to publish this video publicly. So if everything's done, just go ahead and click save, and basically your video is on YouTube. You need to wait until this checking process and the processing on YouTube finishes. This is going to take between like 1 minute and 1 hour depending on the length of your video. And once the processing is finished, you still need to wait for some time. It depends on the length of your video and maybe on how busy YouTube servers are. But after a couple of minutes or an hour, you just go ahead and click on the YouTube icon, view on YouTube. I'm gonna press Ctrl so that it opens in a new tab. And what you should see or what you should check is this option here, and what you will see at the beginning is only the report option, but after a couple of minutes or maybe an hour, as I've said, it depends on the length of your video, you should see an option that says open transcript. And that's it. Obviously, that's where we can get this transcript from YouTube, basically free, what it generated from your English text. I don't know if it works in other languages. It works pretty well for English. Obviously, it depends on the text, on the audio itself, but this is my speech and I'm not a native English speaker, and as you can see, it's quite a good transcript. Obviously, you need some more tweaking, or you need to do some more tweaking with this, but you just go ahead and you can turn on or off the timestamps. Maybe you need them for your transcript, maybe you don't need them for your transcript. Now I'm gonna turn them off, and you just go ahead and select the whole text. Hit the Ctrl+C and open your favorite word processing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs or whatever you like. I'm gonna go ahead and open an OpenOffice Writer. That's a free word processing program. And you just go ahead and hit Ctrl+V, and this basically copies the text, the video transcript, into your Word file. If you don't want to publish your video, so you just uploaded it to YouTube in order to generate the text, the transcript, then just go ahead and come back to your channel studio, YouTube studio, and select the video and click more actions and delete forever. Of course, if you want to use your video as a YouTube video, just go ahead and publish it as a public video. I just go ahead and remove this video because I don't need it. I just uploaded it in order to generate the transcript, so that you can see that even if you don't have a YouTube channel, or even if you don't want to publish your video, still you can use YouTube as a free software to generate the video transcript. And there is only one more thing you need. You need to basically proofread this text, because as you can see, this is a computer generated text. Of course, you want to go ahead and change the capitalization, correct any errors or typos or whatever, which are basically not typos, but where Google understood something differently as you intended to say it in the video. As you can see, Search Console, formerly known as not Webmaster Tools, but Webmaster Tools. So this is one example. You obviously need a human interaction at this point. You can go ahead and do this yourself, or just go ahead and find someone to do this for you, for example, at Upwork. It's still gonna be much cheaper than if you had to do the whole process, the whole transcription process by a human. So that's it, guys. This is the way you can use YouTube as a free tool, as a free software to generate the text from your video and make basically a free video transcription. I hope you liked this video transcription tutorial. Please show some appreciation at the comments, or just hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.